guys, what's up? Today we're going to create a clicker game on Scratch. So I'm gonna just edit the cat image, and then I'm gonna add a coin. If you want to follow along, you're welcome to. So let's actually set this to yellow. Actually, for this, we don't need that. This works for me. So set everything to the middle. And then we can start programming the game. Wait a sec. There. I think this could be more. This fits for me. Anyway, if you never heard of a clicker game, you just click the whatever the object is, and then you get points, and then once you get enough once you get enough clicks, you can unlock some object. You can unlock some things. Like, for example, auto click and more. But in this video, we're just gonna get auto clicks. Okay, so first, we're going to make a variable. The variable is gonna be called clicks. And then you don't have to worry about this variable. You can create it when the video ends, but it's just optional. Auto clicks. Okay. Okay, so let's get started. So when you go to the looks and then change size by 10, change size by -10. And then let's wait for 0.05 seconds. That looks like this. Okay, great. So in order to make that function when we're clicking it, we need to go to the events, and then when the sprite clicked, change size by 10, wait 0.05 seconds, and then change size by -10, and then we click. Great, it's doing it. Now, notice that once we click, our clicks doesn't change. So we're going to drag a change clicks by one block, and then when we hit the coins, great, but when we start it again, notice that we start with this much score again. So how to solve this is you go to when the events, and then you drag the when green flag clicked, and then you and then set clicks to 0. Great, now when we hit the smash, when we smash the green flag, we get 0 clicks. Awesome. And now that we've completed our coin, see you guys in the next video.